and vegetables. Yes. Yes. Right.
Show me your notebook. I forgot my notebook at home. Show me your name. She Happiness. Why are you writing on text? Do your classwork. Everyone has his friend. He is very happy. He has not brushed his teeth. He has bad manners. I'm not singing him. Even I! Even I! Even I! Even I!
No one wants to be his friend. Why? Because he has bad manners. Now flowers. We should not pluck flowers. They give us fragrance and are very colorful.
Do not jump. Flash. You are a bad boy. That's why no one is your friend. No one is your friend. No one is your friend. No one is a good boy.
He wants to be a good boy.
Don't worry. I will be your friend. Brush your teeth daily. Take a bath every day.
Very good.
Wash your hands before and after eating food.
Yes, Kami.
Cut your nails regularly. Learn your lesson regularly. Do not put flowers. Do not make contact and ball. You are a good boy. We are your friends.
Yes, Sargun, come.
Eat healthy food. Do not tell a lie.
Jashan.
You are a good boy. No,
Everybody is your friend.
Very good.
You are a good boy. Everybody is your friend. Now he wants to be a good boy. He has many friends. He is very happy. Now, children come on the stage and sing a rhyme all together.